So I just got back from the International Build Show where I took a few extra classes at the end to learn how to use the Chief Architect software. I'm completely new to this. Well, I guess I shouldn't say completely. I did dabble with it a couple of years ago, but I'm still very, very new to this. And being that a lot of what we're building is very much custom, we're building a lot of our own floor plans here. And we needed to use a tool that was really easy to help us visualize what exactly we are trying to build and seeing if it even is plausible. So when I was in my class, I realized that there was a lot of interior designers in the class with me. Some of them were, designing entire houses. Some of them were just, wanting to do room by room for certain clients. And I thought it would be worth showing you guys how very briefly the tool works. I'm by no means in a place to be helping you with how to use the tool at all, but just to kind of give you a very brief overview of what it's capable of so that, if you're DIYing a project yourself, you're building something, or you want to take an idea to a contractor or a builder and you're really not sure how it's going to look yourself yet, you want to play around with some different floor plans, it can be a really great tool for that. So I thought I would draw up a very basic floor plan for you. And I just drew this up a few minutes ago, so let me see if I can kind of get back to where I was. But anyways, that's a completely different thing. So I just very briefly drew this, and I thought I would show you very briefly how I made these walls. You literally just click on the tool. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Obviously, the more custom you go, the more difficult it's going to be, but you drag and drop. Boom, you just created a room. If you want to look inside of these rooms, you can click on the camera icon and show exactly what you want to look at. I wanted to look into this room right here. I wanted to look into the bathroom, which was right over here. And it makes things pretty simple. You can search for specific items, like, if there's a particular toilet that you already bought, you want to use it, or that you already have. You can actually go into their catalog and find specific items, from particular brands. Everything's customizable down to the couches, countertops, sinks, walls, roof pitch, pretty much everything. It's really a fantastic tool as far as the 3D rendering goes. You can look at the outside of the structure. You can look at, let's see if I already have this up, which I do not. So you can look at the perspective floor overview and look at the space without a roof on it. You can look at just the frame itself. So it really gives you everything. You can customize everything down to the type of insulation in the walls. So you can see how when you're designing something, even if you're just throwing something together very briefly, how, it gives you such a great idea of what it actually looks like. This was obviously a very, very brief overview of what this is and how this tool works. Yeah, that's what we've been playing around with the last couple of weeks. We haven't started the plumbing and electrical yet for the RV. We were waiting for parts to come in, so we're gonna be starting that on Monday because I think the package that I got yesterday was the rest of it. So, yeah, those are some projects we'll be working on over the next couple of months. Right now, I'm trying to work on designing our next RV, which is just gonna be bathrooms. We're in a little bit of limbo land waiting for the campground to get approved. And, once it is, hopefully we'll have some more builds to showcase to you guys. And hopefully, teach you something along the way or give you any sort of motivation to work on some DIY projects you wanna do yourself. But all in all, if you do want to kind of play around with the software, whether you're an interior designer, whether you're DIYing something, showing something to a contractor, they do have some fantastic videos on their website that will actually show you how to use the software and not just like a very brief overview of how their 3D rendering looks like and how that looks. But overall, so far, I can't complain, 10 out of 10. It's been a fantastic tool as far as helping me to visualize what particular things that we're working on are actually gonna look like.